excited for the trip, Bradley?
Oh yeah, but not so excited about that. Oh, the day we leave, our window gets smashed for the first time.
Oh, great.
Next to the door.
It almost looks like a winter wonderland kind of snowflake effect. Yes.
On the road.
Through the border.
They let us across.
Wheels in the back.
Right.
Oh, we can't zoom.
Zoom.
Sherman's in the back.
Open road.
Where first?
Portland, baby.
Yes.
Seattle, we're gonna hit you on the way back.
Yeah. Gotta make do whenever you can, you know? We got a bag full of swag. About to start our Portland group ride, day one, ride one. Should be fun. Can I get a chugaloo?
Hey, let's go chuglin'. All right, when you're out, you're out. Honor system. Watch your fellow friends for cheaters.
No cheaters.
Right.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Rochambeau. Rochambeau.
It's scissors. If you're paper, you're out.
What happened?
Yeah, there was a little tumble.
Oh no! That was fast.
Yeah,
Day one.
It didn't take long, that's for sure.
Oh no! I mean, that was obviously gonna happen.
Yeah,
so.
I asked him what happened. He's like, I took a tumble. I took a tumble. Yeah, well, fair enough.
Have any of you guys rode it yet?
Not yet.
Not yet? Yeah. What'd you think? Honest facts. You don't have to hide anything.
I'm only honest.
Yeah.
Let's see here. I really like it, but it makes a growl noise that scares me. Scared.
Yeah, I had the same noise I mentioned on our review.
Yeah.
I wonder if they both do it. I haven't tried the other one yet, so. But
I didn't crank it hard.
I just cranked up. Where's the Sherman Max?
how'd you like it?
Hey.
You don't have to be on video if you don't want. Just say so.
No,
Okay,
man.
yeah. How'd
Well,
you like it?
I kind of usually run the ride here in Portland, so I'm Thad Gillespie. Yeah, I can take my helmet off.
Yeah.
Thank you, sorry.
Oh yeah, were you the guy on the I saw a news piece. With
Yeah, that was
was
me.
you.
Yeah, I'm one of the original. Robert's the founder, and then I kind of helped take over the ride. No, do you want my honest opinion?
Yeah, honest opinion,
I think it looks amazing. The
Yeah.
suspension's amazing.
Yeah.
It's a little top heavy.
It is,
and,
yeah.
and it wants. It didn't ever wobble out of control on me, but it definitely wants to shimmy more than some of the other wheels at a similar weight, right?
Yeah.
And but it still has. There's something smooth about it though that's nice. It's just that time. Maybe Cameron and I were talking. You might be able to get the muscle memory, get used to it. It's hard to say. It's still early.
Yeah,
it has potential though. For
I
sure.
100% know what you're talking about.
Yeah. And I went across the Tillicum and I caught a little side wind with me, and it made it worse.
Okay.
Being so tall. But we're happy that you guys are here. Welcome to
thank
Portland.
You. We're happy to be here.
Yeah, absolutely. Who's all with the crew?
Yeah. Just us, just him and I.
Okay, yeah.
We had a
Welcome.
Sherman Max around as well, so if anyone wants to try the Sherman Max, it is somewhere. You tried it. What'd you think?
Back to you, George.
I have a Sherman, and it's unfortunate that I have to buy a Sherman Max now.
Hey, there we go. That's a good thing to hear.
Bro, he was on the.
I don't know anyone else that can do this. Someone back me up. You all right unicycles? Ready? 3, 2, and you lost it. It's a 1.
Let's go!
Thank you. Cheers.
Brother, successful day one.
You're on our YouTube channel now. I would love one of these. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, you rode the S20. Thoughts?
Well, it's everything that I loved about the S18 and none of the bad.
Yes.
And honestly, it's right now the only wheel that I know of that out of the box doesn't really need anything.
Yeah.
I mean, I just got an EXN high speed and I love it, but that was $200 in accessories later.
Yep.
So,
Pads, pedals.
yeah,
Yeah.
it's just something that,
This is just
that
out
everyone
the
else
box.
should follow suit on.
Yeah. Leading the pack through innovation.
And
right?
a kickstand that won't fall over.
We were gonna do a topple test and like poke each of them and see which one. I think
Yep.
it's like a non-challenge.
Oh yeah, definitely. I gotta say, the biggest surprise was it felt as nimble as the S18.
Damn.
Wow! What do you think of the S20?
I think it feels phenomenal. Feels like the grown-up brother of the S18, and I think that tire freaking rocks for the dirt. I don't really think I really knew exactly what the S20 felt like until I got on the dirt, and it feels a hell of a lot better there.
Yeah, this is the perfect spot to do it. There's roots and everything.
Yeah.
What would you change about it? Is there anything you didn't like that was like, eh?
I'm not a huge fan of the pad setup. The upper
Yeah.
pad especially. Upper pad's kind of awkward.
I 100% feel you because that back pad doesn't even touch your calf when you're trying to brake for one.
Yeah. It
But-
just feels awkward and not quite right.
Yeah. So what was your favorite things about the S20?
Well, it felt like the best KingSong wheel I've tried. I mean, as far as build quality, it felt sturdy. The suspension felt like it had plenty of give, so it could absorb bigger bumps than even the S18 or really any other suspension wheel that I've seen on the market so far. It really did perform to my expectations as far as like that travel and stairs. I think the bigger tire, being a 20-inch suspension wheel, helps absorb the steeper, more full-size stairs.
Yeah, what do you think of the shape of the tire?
It has a good tire profile. It's really curved, which is what you want for like kind of a hybrid street and off-road tire. So I think they did good there. The seat's a little weird where it kind of dips in the back, but I think that's just the foam. That can always change. There's always little things that will happen between the batches, but overall I think it's a fantastic wheel. It's wide, so like don't expect it to be like the S18 where you're able to just kind of nimbly throw it around like a
That's
smaller
what I love
KingSong.
about the S18.
It's a good little small wheel for putting around, even playing at the track a little bit, but I broke it multiple times. I've shattered through the suspension system. I upgraded the pins and still bent them, so I think it just has too small of a shock system for the type of sends that people were putting it through.
Yeah.
I can't attest to the durability yet of the S20. People haven't really wrecked it multiple ways, so we're just gonna have to see on that, but it feels pretty sturdy, better than I expected in the hand. And
People are wondering speed and acceleration. What do you think about those?
Oh, I mean,
categories?
it's fantastic. I was able to pass a Begode wheel on a KingSong, and it felt like I was just riding and cruising. It doesn't feel quite as fast as like maybe like a C30 punchy motor, but not everybody needs that extreme high speed, high performance. You're getting a really good off-roading package, and you're getting watt hours, so you get a decent range. You aren't going to be the person holding the group up.
Yeah, and if you could change one thing about the S20, what would it be?
I would change the batteries, the layout of them. I have an issue with the way that the batteries are configured. It's very similar to the S18, and I really hope that the durability and the longevity of the batteries is better than the S18, because that had some issues through all the batches.
That's a great answer. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
So, you just got in a wreck.
I did.
Was it on this wheel? Or, oh, it was. It had to have been. Who brought duct tape with them?
No, someone brought duct tape. Yeah. No.
So
yeah,
you literally
same
just
here.
duct taped it back
Yeah,
together?
I was like, does anybody have any electrical tape or duct tape?
But other than your crash, you're okay.
I'm okay.
Yeah.
I'm okay. Yeah.
What do you think of the S20? Honest thoughts. That's what we're filming about.
Need some more duct tape or
no,
pads or.
Would you have cut out on the S20? That's the question.
I don't think I would have been going. Actually, I don't know how fast that I was going. I don't think I would have cut out on the S20, but I don't think it would have let me go that fast.
Okay. What do you love about the S20 and what do you wish it was different?
I love the suspension of the S20. I love the way it feels. I wish that it could go faster, which is really ironic to say right now.
Right?
But I do wish that it could go faster. This is really awkward.
This is gonna make great footage.
I would like to approve of this footage before it goes live.
I'll send you a call.
I would like to approve of this before it goes live. You know, I think that the S20 probably couldn't go as fast. I think it would have throttled my speed way before I got where I was, because when we were doing speed tests on the S20, it was throttling my speed at about 70 kilometers. And I mean, I was probably going at least like 30, 35 miles per hour, which is like, what was that, like 50, 55 kilometers?
Yeah.
And I feel like it wouldn't have let me go that fast. So, you know, it is what it is.
Hey, you barely scratched.
Yeah, you know, no, I'm very scratched.
You're very scratched?
I'm very scratched. There's a lot of scratches. But also, like, I like that speed, so that's been my only complaint about the S20 is that it won't let you go as fast. Like, it's 126 volt
It's
wheel.
a KingSong. It's like they're gonna do that, I think. But
It is, but it's 126 volt wheel, and I feel like it could go faster than it lets you go while still being safe. I feel like it's a little too safe.
have you tried the one that's unlocked to 80 kilometers an hour? This one.
At 80?
Yeah.
Oh,
We
no, I have not
unlocked
tried that. I'm not
Okay.
going to try that right now, though. Yeah, we're not going to try that.
So are
right
you
now.
more excited for the Master then, or?
I haven't really looked too much into the Master
Okay.
yet. I kind of like wait until the wheels are actually like closer to being here before I get too excited about them.
Yeah,
so.
that's how we are with the Master.
Yeah.
But, all right, thanks so much, Kelly. Appreciate it.
What is the heck is? Oh yeah, I always hide my laptop.
You just plop on it.
Oh man,
Oh my god.
that was a day.
Oh my
The
gosh.
Portland crew, man.
Seriously, guys. What time is it?
It's my watch is off because it's 1:30 a.m. I'm in sleep mode.
1:29 in the anti-meridian. That's what AM stands for, by the way.
That was fun. That was a good night. The Portland crew is amazing. We rode the S20 a lot more. The Portland crew was very timid in like asking to ride the S20 because like I felt like I was riding it most of the night.
Sit up so you can look at me here. Yeah, they were.
Which was nice because I haven't rode it that much, so I was like, oh yeah.
Yeah.
But
we did have a crash on it the first.
yeah, the first 5 minutes.
Low speed.
What the heck?
And he just comes back. He was so super kind about it though. He's like, "Hey man, here you go," and he like hands me the piece like it was a gift. I'm like,
Do you remember his name? Do you remember
No,
his? Oh,
no.
I'm so curious who it was.
yeah, I know who it was, but I don't remember his name.
I don't even know what he looks like.
it
I'm
was-
not gonna. No judgment.
I was like,
A little bit of judgment. You're the first person to drop it, man, and you cracked the damn bumper that we all knew was gonna crack.
I was like, "What happened?" He's like, "I took a spill. I took a spill. Them's the brakes." I was like, "Yeah, fair enough." Yeah, like I was just turning around a bit too sharp and fell. Like, yeah, well.
So, word on the street is Rev Rides had their crew, Douglas and some
Yeah.
other guys. By the way, shout out Rev Rides.
Shout out Rev
awesome
Rides,
crew.
man.
We met Nate and Douglas and what's the other guy's name? Oh no,
Oh, too many festivities. I don't
it's
remember.
too late. Sorry, whoever's name we forgot.
The festivities
But what a
were
great crew!
strong.
Like honestly, good people. If you're in the U.S., we're in Canada. We don't ship to the U.S. Support Rev Rides.
Buy your wheels from Rev Rides. Rev Ride.
They are good people. But what was I going to say?
They got 62 miles.
Yeah. So they had 2 people take it out. One guy was 230 pounds, I think, 230 pounds. The other guy was, I'm just going to guess 180.
Yeah. about
Guessing
that.
with
Fair
gear
guess.
on.
Oh, a little lighter maybe. Yeah, full gear though.
And they got like, what, 59 miles and 62 miles, I think, or 56 miles and 62 miles. Regardless,
100K.
damn, the S20 can go 100 kilometers.
Real world, baby.
That excited me.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
Yeah, and you later in the
Oh
night.
yeah, I broke my EUC speed record. I'm not a speedster, as you guys probably have.
Speedster.
Yeah, I'm not a
He
speedster.
calls himself a speedster, so obviously he's
I said I'm not a speedster.
not a speedster.
But I got it up to 67 kilometers an hour. Yeah.
First real proper ride too. This thing is confidence inspiring, man.
Yeah, because you can ride at night. It's pitch black. The lights are pretty good though.
I'm going back
but like,
down here.
you're hitting bumps and you don't even care because it's so smooth. But I will say, if I'm comparing it to like something like the Veteran Abrams, is sustaining speed, even sustaining 55 kilometers an hour. It takes more work on the S20, whereas the Abrams, I can just be
Yeah, you really got to keep
cruising, but you
it.
really have to constantly lean on the S20, which is, I don't know, fatiguing after a while.
tiring,
Yeah, your legs get tired. Whereas the Abrams, once you get up to speed, you can just stand there and stay there, which is kind of nice.
Yeah.
And the S20, if you feel wind a bit more, you feel.
I felt trying to hold 45.
Yeah.
I was just like, that was...
Did you just fucking trying to hold 45? Okay, I'll do the conversion for you guys.
45 was like the speed that I could just kind of hang out at, and anything more than that, I had to really... And I'm 200 pounds and tall, so I got that leverage, and I still had to really like lean into it.
Yeah, you got to push it. I don't have as much weight as you pushing into it. I'm not calling you a fatty, but you know, I had to.
We do have burgers on the way.
We literally, it's 1:30. We've had nothing to eat all day.
Shout out Unami Burger.
We ordered Unami. Yeah.
The impossible burger for me.
Yeah, I still eat the. I'm a savage.
I'm a savage.
I eat meat.
I'm a savage.
Shout out to Mike Leahy. What a nice guy.
Love that dude.
Kelly Chameleons. Such a sweet girl. Like
the queen, man.
It's just Portland. We peaked early.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, I don't know how we go up from here. Phoenix.
I'm honestly going to feel guilty when we open a store in the U.S. because Rev Rides is so cool. I don't want to compete with them.
Yeah.
I want to partner with them.
Yeah.
They're so cool, man.
I love them.
Good people. I don't know. I'm tired.
Great wheel, great times. I don't know how we topped this.
This
ride.
is day one. Tomorrow we're in Sacramento, but we won't be filming in Sacramento till Sunday.
Yep.
Well, Sunday is tomorrow, technically.
Yeah, today's Friday.
Yeah. So we'll be
But
filming
there's no
tomorrow in Sacramento. We're going to do some trail riding, meet up with Chance Hins. His YouTube will be below if you want to watch him. Hopefully hit up the Float Life crew. They're going snowboarding on Sunday, so
I hope I get to meet them.
It'd be cool if you did. We'll see. Yeah, day one, success. Thanks for watching this is like our lamely edited vlog.